This is a 1940s dot wood wall clock that's been converted to quartz, so it's battery powered now instead of clockwork. The case has been stripped, primed and then painted in a two-tone heirloom white satin on the front and a matte black rear case. Has a new perspex glass. Now the original hands have been adapted to fit the new movement. It's the original dial, which is very flaky, which has now been sealed with an acrylic resin, sorry, an acrylic lacquer. This is just a fake winder, a dummy winder. That's just for authenticity, just to keep it looking good. Original hands, time of day is changed just by simply moving the hands back and forth. As and when you need to change the battery, there's 3 screws, flathead screws, just need to be unscrewed and then lift the dial off and you'll have access to the movement and change the AA battery inside. Very simple to wall mount. Just needs a single screw or nail in the wall. It's not heavy. Total width is about 40 centimeters, so it's a nice size clock. Look good in any room. Here we've got it in a dining room above the sofa.